Hello everyone, let's travel back in time and install Borland C++ on this Windows 3.1 virtual machine. Now, this program requires a whopping 28 floppies, and to make it even more interesting, I won't be using a mouse, except for attaching the floppies, because recording messes up the VirtualBox mouse integration on the guest. Alright, let's get started. Don't know about you, but I absolutely love this part of the installation. I mean, Borland C++ version 4.5 was released over 30 years ago, and this screen here you will see once in the best case scenario, maybe 2-3 times if something goes wrong. And just look at how much effort went into creating a good first impression. Like, the speedometer actually works and shows you how far you're into the installation, or the radio where you can see what is being copied currently. The cancel button lies next to the climate control knobs. Then there's this like notebook of sorts that's stuck on the front windshield, presenting you with the new features in this version. Also, the name of the program appears on the road sign and on the steering wheel. And just for fun, I tasked AI to generate me an outside view of the car, and I think it did it pretty well, excluding some minor details that I fixed in GIMP afterwards. Alright, let's step on the gas and speed up this part. Okay, so Borland C++ is now installed. I don't know why FreeCell refuses to work. Anyway, let's write something. Alright, thanks for watching if you've made it that far, and please subscribe to the channel for more retro computing videos.